Hello and welcome to the Acadlix LMS. In this video, we will see how to enable and configure the Acadlix subscription module. The subscription module allows you to sell your course bundles on a recurring basis. You can offer weekly, monthly, quarterly, yearly or custom subscriptions and automate the renewal process. To get started, go to the add-on manager. Locate the Acadlix subscription add-on and turn it on. Once enabled, Acadlix will automatically add new subscription section in the settings page. This is where you can configure how subscription renewals should work on your website. Let's navigate to Acadlix, settings, and then subscription. Here you will find all subscription related settings where you can choose between manual and auto. Let's understand both options. Auto subscription mode. When you select auto, subscription renewals are handled automatically by the configured payment gateway. The customer subscribes once and future payments are charged automatically according to the billing cycle. This mode is supported by the payment gateways that offers recurring payment functionality such as Razorpay, PayPal and Stripe. This is the most convenient option because students do not need to renew their subscriptions manually. Let's come to the manual subscription mode. When you select manual, students must review their subscription themselves before the access expires. Acadlix provides automated email reminders and grace period settings to help manage the renewal process. Let's review each option. Renewal buffer days. This settings defines how many days before the expiry date students are allowed to renew their subscription. For example, if you enter 7, students can renew their subscription starting 7 days before it expires. Send renewal reminder emails. Enter the days before expiry when reminder emails should be sent. This means Acadlix will send automated reminder emails 7, 5, 3 and 1 day before the subscription expires. Auto cancel after days. This setting determines how many days after expiry the subscription should remain active before being cancelled automatically. For example, if you enter 7, a student will get a 7-day grace period after expiry. If they do not renew during this period, the subscription will be cancelled automatically. Next one is send cancel reminder email. This setting defines when cancellation reminder emails should be sent during the grace period. For example, 1357. Students will receive reminder emails before their subscription is permanently cancelled. After configuring all the required options, click on the Save button. Your subscription system is now ready to use. Let's see how you can create subscription plans on the course pages. Now open any course or course bundle. A new subscription section will be available. From here, you can create as many subscription plans as you need. For example, a weekly plan, monthly plan, quarterly plan or yearly plan. Or you can also give other names like silver plan, gold plan, diamond plan, etc. as per your requirement. Each plan have its own pricing, billing cycle, duration and renewal settings. This gives you complete flexibility to offer multiple subscriptions options to your students. A student can choose the plan that best fits their needs. The Acadlix subscription modules make it easy to sell your courses on a recurring payment model. Simply enable the add-on, choose between manual or auto renewal, configure the settings and create subscription plans directly from your course pages. With automated renewals and reminder emails, you can build a reliable, scalable, subscription-based learning platform. In the next video, we will explore how to create subscription plans in details, including trial periods, enrollment fees, sale prices, and scheduled discount. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to stay updated with the latest Acadlix tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.